That's a RAV4. That's a headlight that's not working. That one works. We're going to change it both so they're equal. Ooh, look at how see how yellow that is? We're going to clean those up as well sometime later on. Not right now. Okay, you got to get this cover off. This just pops on and off. Real simple, right? There's your main wiring harness right there. Now, I'm going to try to get my camera in here as best as I can to show you. There it is right there. But there's a little clip. You gotta look inside here. There's a little clip you gotta squeeze together and pull down. There it is. Did you see that? I know it's tough to see right inside there. And then the bulb comes out. There's the bulb. Kind of tough to see right inside there. As you can see, that this thing here has got three little knobs. 1, 2, 3 where my thumb is, and right up over here. It's burnt out. It don't work. I'm gonna move my camera back here for the moment. This is like a 5-minute job, but a 12 minutes to tape this thing. I'm gonna reset up my camera real quickly. There we go. There's my package. Thanks, that package. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. Take out my new one. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to touch the glass. That's the old one. You can touch it. Go right ahead, sure. Oh, I can see the filaments. I think it's burnt. It's burnt off. There we go. That's the old one. We're getting rid of it. This is the new one. You got the 3 tabs. 1 big one, 2 little small ones. You can see them right there. Big, 2 smaller ones. Carefully, you want to look inside first. Oh yeah. It's tough to see in there though. 2 tabs down to the bottom. You got the spring here, right there. You want to pull it back up, squeeze it together, push it back in. And there you go. That bulb is in. That's it. Oh, and your dust cover. And of course you got to plug it back in. That's it. That's all. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking. That's replacement headlight bulbs on a Toyota Rav4s. We're going to run over here real quick. Run. It's number 1. Don't tell nobody. We're running back. My exercise for the day. There we go. This thing needs a wash. Look at this. And I'm also going to clean out that plug end. Where is it? Right there. So there you go. Real simple. There's the passenger side. We're going to do the same thing. Pop this dust cover off. Just like that. There you go. Wires unplugged at the same time. There's some dielectric grease in there. This one looks a little cleaner than the other side. There's a spring inside. Watch how long this takes. There's the spring out. There's the bulb. I am changing both of them because I want them to be equal. I will save this one as a spare. Don't touch the glass end. I'm actually going to gently put it right there. That's it. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, comment. Anything else? No, I got nothing else.